Hey guys, it's that Dividend guy here coming at you with another dividend investing video. Uh, just in case you guys hear it in the background, I'm at my mom's place and my dog is sawing logs, so I do apologize for that. But I do have a notification, so let's click on that and read it real quick. So this is what we were excited about, right? Okay, because you owned 97 shares of MO on the 12th, or excuse me, the 24th of December 2019. So last month, you received a dividend payment of 81.48. So, first things first, we're going to go through and we're going to do the portfolio performance and then I'll reinvest the dividend. So, currently I have over 17 grand, which is awesome. I love being at 17k. So today we did 0.9% or 92. We're down 92 cents, about a dollar. For the week, we're up 189. For the month, we're up 356. The 3 month mark, we're up 2160. For the year, we're up 27. All time, we're up 2470. So after the 3 month mark, we're pretty much up above 2 grand, which is phenomenal growth. So let's go ahead and take a look. The prices will change just because the market is still open for another hour here. So Altria is at 50.26 around that mark. We're at 45.25 for the average cost. We're down $30 today, but total return we're up 485. Coca-Cola, we have 17 shares at 51.10. We're up $4.50 for today. The total return we're up 75-ish dollars. AT&T, 62 shares, 31.10 is our average cost. We're down about 10 or $9.60-ish cents, so about $10. Total we're up 467. AbbVie, 60 shares, average cost is 72.22. We're negative 44.70 today, but overall we're up a grand, over a grand. SKT, 15.96, 3 shares, 14.84 is our average cost, so it's up from where we bought it. Today's return we're down $1.18. Total we're up 3.38, so we're up about a buck 12 per share, something like that. WBA Walgreens, we have 1 share, 54.60. This is one of those that I want to add to. We're at 54.15, so we're actually down. Today, about 52 cents. Total, we're down 44 cents. ExxonMobil, average cost is 73.50, 29 shares. We have negative 13.78 today. Total return, we're down 122.84. Target, we have 10 shares at 87.68. This is one of those that just kind of went to the moon. We're up $13 today. We're up 371.52. So now that we've gone through the portfolio, the individual stock analysis, or the individual stock performance as well. First things first, regardless of the price of the stock, I will be buying at least one share of Altria. So we're going to go ahead and do that real quick on camera. So there we go. We now have one more share, so we have 98 shares of Altria Group. Next, we have options, so we could buy SKT. Let's look and see how many we could buy. We have 36.26 left, so we could technically buy 2 shares of SKT. 36.26, what else could that get us, though? Doesn't get us any store because we don't have enough cash. I don't think it would get us Bank of America either because it's still pretty close to our amount of cash because they need more than 34. Well, we might be able to buy Bank of America actually. Think we should buy Bank of America with it for dividend. Yeah, okay. I have owned it in the past at a cheaper price, I believe. Yeah, way cheaper. Look at that. Don't sell, guys. Sold it at 25. I could be owning it at 34 right now at a way big markup. Let's see where it's close. Yeah. I don't want to buy Bank of America at 52-week highs, so I guess we're just going to go ahead and buy 2 shares of SKT because that one's not up as bad. It pays 35 cents, I believe, a share, so we should be up about 70 cents from the buy. So we're going to buy 2 shares of SKT. Boom, boom, there we go. So it was up 70 cents from that purchase, and then up 84 cents, so about $1.60 total is what we've increased our passive income in both January and February, but I don't know when the ex-dividend date for SKT is, so I'm not sure if I'll see the fruits of my labor yet. But there you guys go. Another dividend reinvesting video. We're up to 1755 with the dividends reinvested. So that is awesome. So now we have 98 shares of MO and we bought 2 more shares of SKT. So that is awesome, awesome. And our average cost did go up a bit to 15.29, but that's okay. It's still lower than what the stock is trading at. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. It's been that dividend guy. Today we went through the portfolio performance all time. We went through the individual stocks. We reinvested the dividends into Altria stock and bought 2 more SKT, increasing our passive income by about $1.60 more a year. That's phenomenal. Actually, it's more than that. 320 for Altria and uh, 3, 6, 9, 12, about $1.50 for that. So altogether, probably about $5 we increased our passive income today. So that's really the goal for a dividend investor, right? Is to use the dividends that you get from a company, reinvest it into the company, and then have extras to do something else with it. So thank you guys so much for watching. It's been that dividend guy. Remember, I only post Monday through Friday on my portfolio, but I might throw a couple videos out there that I have pre-recorded just to do like stock lists and stuff like that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button, and when you do, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on my portfolio. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the new subscribers. We're working towards financial independence, guys, so that's the goal. But I will see you on Monday. Take care.